Hi, I'm Jane Webber and I live in Hampshire and work in the South East and London area. So the legal director allows you to be within a business providing legal advice from a commercial perspective. So you're starting off with the commercial aspect of what the client wants and then putting your legal advice on top of that. You actually become a high-level legal consultant director, working often at board level with your clients, but you've got the benefit of that in-house relationship, working hopefully on retainers where you're working with them 1 or 2 days a week, maybe 3 days a week, however it suits the client really. So you get a really flexible but beneficial relationship to both parties and you become part of their business, which is great. I've worked in a couple of different ways with the legal director. Sometimes there have been opportunities that have presented to the legal director and I've stepped in because they've been a really good match for me. I do commercial contract work and I do commercial property work, so sometimes there's some clients that need a mix of both, and so that's a really good fit. Other times it's been my own contacts, my own people I know, the people I've worked with before who might need some legal work done, and I've created those opportunities myself. The nice thing about the legal director is that all these clients, they are commercial clients and they know what they're doing in terms of they have good commercial acumen. So you are working very much with them rather than trying to teach them the basics from the start. So that works really well. It's usually a fairly long-term relationship and I very much feel part of the team. I feel invested in their business, and that's what gives me my job satisfaction, is that I want to be part of their business, I want to help them grow commercially, and I want to be part of their commercial decisions and then implement the legal background to those commercial decisions that they need to make and help them with it to help their business grow. And you just feel very much part of the team, which is what I love. So I very much view my role not just as a lawyer, I view it as part of the commercial business, and I enjoy that aspect, and what the legal director gives me is the ability to do that, whereas in a private practice law firm you sit down and you do that piece of legal work. So it is much more, you feel much more entrepreneurial in terms of you have much more ability to tailor the job as you want to and help the business as you want to, rather than just, right, okay, I'm going to do this piece of work. So from that point of view, I think it works really well for me personally. The legal director is the most amazing business to work with. They are so supportive. They have supported me from day one, both personally and professionally. We have regular meetings, both as a group, and also we have one-to-ones. And I have never worked with anyone who takes so much interest in you as a person, because we know that people are what matters, and it's very much a feeling that people come first, we come first, and from that the business will be successful. They could not be more supportive. One thing I was looking for from the legal director was, I felt like I was a senior lawyer now and I wanted a bit more flexibility. I didn't want to have to ask if I wanted to go and pick up my children or do anything like that. So actually what I can do with the legal director is have a very professional, high-end job working at a high level with clients, but I'm still able to go and pick up my children from school. I play netball for an hour on a Friday morning, so I just block out an hour on Friday morning and I go and play netball, and that starts my Friday off well. And it just gives you the flexibility to do that at the same time as having a senior role within businesses. So for me, having that flexibility and that autonomy is so important, and I really, really enjoy it, and I would find that very hard to give up now. If you're considering joining the legal director, I can thoroughly recommend it. I think if you want to work in a positive business that is commercially minded, enables you to use your legal skills but in a different way, having the work-life balance that you want, I can't recommend it enough.